Hi everyone. Last week I talked about the general direction of advisor growth in the United States. This week I'm breaking it down into two-part series. Part 1 is about pure growth by the numbers. Part 2, we'll take a look at where the next growth opportunities are actually coming from. So let's start with the data and see how your practice compares. How many new clients did you onboard last year? You know, most advisors are really struggling in this area. The average advisor in the United States added 1.4 new clients last year. But you know how many the top performers added? They're crushing it. They were adding 10 or more clients in 1 year. That's a massive gap. And it shows that growth today isn't about the markets. It's about momentum. It's about discipline, and it's about consistent outreach in dedicating time to growing those new clients. What were your net flows? That's new money coming into your business. In the US, RIAs last year averaged roughly 4.5% net new asset growth. That's the highest of any major channel. And when I talk about channels, I'm talking about broker-dealers, wirehouses. The independent advisors are leading the pack when it comes to real organic growth. And if you're not tracking your net flows, start now, because what gets measured actually grows. Now let's call out the elephant in the room: fees. Everyone wants to know, what are advisors charging in the US when it comes to management fees? Well, here's the answer. 1.02% is the management fee generally charged for clients who hold $1 to $1.5 million. And it's been unchanged for the last 5 years. And here's what's really interesting about that. Advisors who lowered their fees actually grew slower than those who held firm on value. Clients aren't looking for cheap. They're looking for clarity. They're looking for confidence and consistency. At iAPrivateWealthUSA, we're proud to be a leader in this space, helping Canadian advisors build their US business with the tools, the partnerships, and a platform that can compete at the highest levels. We believe that growth isn't luck. It's leadership, and we make sure that our advisors are equipped for both. If you want to talk about the US opportunity or what we're building here at iAPrivateWealthUSA, I'm always available to connect.